Hello, and welcome back to Health Buddy. Today, we're diving into the world of natural liver detoxification. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, tirelessly filtering toxins, supporting digestion, and aiding in overall well-being. But sometimes, it could use a little TLC. In this video, we'll explore simple and effective ways to detox your liver naturally at home, ensuring it stays healthy and happy. So, let's get started. Number 1. The liver's vital role. Before we jump into detox methods, let's quickly understand why the liver is so crucial to our health. Your liver performs over 500 functions, including processing nutrients, breaking down toxins, and regulating cholesterol levels. It's like your body's personal filtration system, and it deserves some care. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Hydration is key to a healthy liver. Water helps flush out toxins and supports overall liver function. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your liver happy and hydrated. Number 3. Eat liver-friendly foods. Next, let's talk about what you can eat to promote liver health. Incorporate liver-friendly foods like leafy greens, broccoli, and avocados into your diet. These are rich in antioxidants and fiber, aiding in the detoxification process. Number 4. Limit processed foods. On the flip side, avoid or limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive amounts of alcohol. These can overload your liver and hinder its detox abilities. Moderation is key. Number 5. Herbal teas. Herbal teas like dandelion, milk thistle, and ginger can work wonders for your liver. These teas support liver function and help it process toxins more efficiently. Plus, they are delicious. Number 6. Lemon water in the morning. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Lemons contain citric acid, which stimulates liver enzymes and supports digestion. It's a simple and refreshing way to kickstart your liver detox routine. Number 7. Exercise regularly. Exercise isn't just for your muscles. It benefits your liver too. Physical activity helps improve blood flow, which in turn supports the liver's detoxification processes. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Number 8. Get quality sleep. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. While you rest, your body carries out essential maintenance tasks, including liver detoxification. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Number 9. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on your liver. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga to keep your liver and your mind calm and healthy. Number 10. Liver cleansing smoothie recipe. Now, let's whip up a delicious liver cleansing smoothie. You'll need spinach, kale, a banana, half an avocado, a slice of ginger, and a cup of water. Blend it all together, and you've got a nutrient-packed detox treat. Before we conclude, let's debunk a few liver detox myths. Liver detox isn't about extreme fasting or expensive supplements. It's about adopting a sustainable, balanced lifestyle that supports your liver naturally. Well, there you have it. Simple and effective ways to detox your liver naturally at home. Remember, your liver works tirelessly to keep you healthy, so show it some love with these tips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to a happy, healthy liver. Until next time, take care. For more informative videos on health, wellness, and more, stay tuned to Health Buddy. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Your health matters, and we're here to help you on your journey